Hello, welcome to another day of class. Today is Tuesday, August 3rd, 2020, and it is time of your math class. Yesterday we started learning about some measures. Yes, go to book page 42, please, of your math book. Page 42 of your math book, please. Page 42. And the topic was measuring and drawing lines to 1/2 inch. So we were learning that our ruler has in the middle some lines that are called 1/2 inch. So yesterday you were working with this one. So today we are going to check our homework. So use your ruler to measure this line. In page 42, exercise number 5, you have to measure those lines. The result of the measurement of the letter A is 2 inches, 1 inch half. 2 inches, 1 inch half. Then, in letter B, your answer is going to be 1 inch, 1 inch half. 1 inch, 1 inch half. Then, in letter C, your answer has to be 3 inches, 1 inch half. 3 inches, 1 inch half. Very good. Now, go to exercise number 6. Exercise number 6. What you have to do is to measure with your ruler. Don't forget to use your ruler. So you're going to measure those lines and you're going to write with your pencil. Here are the measurements. 2 inches, 1 inch half, 3 inches, 3 inches, 1 inch half. So you're going to draw the correct lines here in the exercise number 6. Tomorrow we are going to continue with exercise 7 and exercise 8 of the book. So you have to complete those exercises. Exercise 7, draw lines to match, and also exercise 8, write the answers. Tomorrow I'm going to check that you already finished with all the exercises of book page 42. Here what you are going to do is something very easy. You already know how to work here. What you're going to do is that you're going to use one line to join with the correct answer. For example, the letter A says triangle. Triangle only has 2 sides? No. Triangle is parallel? No. Triangle has all sides equals? Triangle has opposite sides equal? Triangle completely round? No. So, which one is the correct one of triangle? 3 sides. That's what the name is triangles. Very good. So, what you're going to do is basically to join with a line like this one. 3 sides. And that's what you have to do in exercise number 7. In exercise number 8, you already know that you're going to write here the correct answer of each one of them. For example, how much is 1/5 in inches? So you already know that are 12 inches. 12 inches is equal to 1/5. In letter A, 12 is the correct one, the correct answer. 12 inches. I'm going to put it in another color so you can identify in a better way. So 12 inches are equal to 1/5. Very good. That was everything for today. I hope you understood. And see you until next class. Bye.